guys and welcome back to my vlog. I am in Goa. I just arrived today and I'm going to be here for the next 3 to 4 days traveling with some couple of friends. It is super hot, but the Airbnb we booked is so pretty. It has a very like Santorini vibes going on. I'll just add a couple of clips of that, but it's beautiful, super hot, and the plan for today is just to get ready and get some food because we're damn hungry. So we are going to this cafe nearby to get some food. Up on a beach together. Yeah. Finally. Oh my god, why do wimps come to the beach? Woke up in the morning and made it to the beach for a dip. So Tamsia did not know how to drive a scooty.
I did not.
But we needed one person to drive a
That's
scooty
true.
because
And
otherwise
you were like मैं चलाऊंगी and then फिर क्या हुआ?
my confidence went down, hers went up.
Yeah.
So she has been driving for
survival
since yesterday and today, and she's been driving well.
We're going to a very fancy place today. The restaurant is owned by Chef Kunal Kapoor. You must have seen him on Master Chef and whatnot. It's called Pin Code Bungalow and has a really aesthetic vibe, really good food. So while shacks are great in Goa, I think this would be like a 5-on-5 experience.
I have come to the south of Goa not south of Goa, south of India. South of India for like It is South India.
Goa is not South India.
Where is Goa?
It's like on the equator of India, you could say.
We really wanted to do like a very slow kind of vacation instead of like, just being on the go because Goa gives that vibe. But yeah, we had an amazing day yesterday. We explored Arambol and today we are going to this place called Pin Code Bungalow. It's like, where is that place? I think you...
Ragaton.
Yeah, she just spoke about that. So you ended up going to the Vagator and Anjuna area, right? But the day turned out to be quite eventful just because of her.
We got caught by the police for driving without a helmet. Lame. No, I'm joking. And we had to pay a fine. You can understand what fine means here. It's fine by me, is what I'm saying.
It's third day and we are going surfing today. This is one of the main reasons I did want to come to Goa because it was on my bucket list to kind of try surfing this year. That is my board. It's green on the other side. We just finished our surfing lesson and it was a 10 on 10.
Yes.
So much that we have booked 2 more like slots for tomorrow because tomorrow's the day we go, but we do have the morning and afternoon. So we are gonna like surf 2 more times. Ended up catching 2 waves. It's quite a difficult like sport to get into, but it's so satisfying as well. We ordered some cokes and we got this set up. How cool. But yeah, we're just gonna chill here for the next 1 or 2 hours and head out for lunch. Had such a tiring day because of the surfing and we got some really good food at Burger Factory for lunch. But today is the night we want to explore the nightlife of Goa a bit. So we have been to a few sundowner places, mostly during like sunset. But today we want to go explore a few bars. So we are heading to Chapora Lane, which is supposed to have like these low-key local bars to go. And one of my friend knows this one bar where the vibes are supposed to be really nice. You're just going to meet like some local people, talk to other people, and get good music. So that's the plan for tonight. But there is no like videography or filmography allowed at that place. So I'll see you tomorrow. So it's our last day in Goa and we spent the morning surfing again at the surf school, and honestly I think it was one of the best things we did in Goa because it's such a fun sport and the water is so much better where we were doing it at Morjan Beach. So that's what we did. Then we checked out of our Airbnb and we came towards Panjim area where our bus would be, and we thought we'll just get lunch here and explore the Latin Quarter area, which is supposed to be very pretty. So that's the plan, and then we head to Bangalore tonight. A great time in Goa. So we were staying at Arambol Beach, like right by near the beach, like a 5-minute drive, and it was close to all the areas we wanted to go. For example, we went surfing in Morjan Beach, so that was close. We rented a scooty, my friend had a bike, so it's very easy to get around. Going to like places like Vagator and Anjuna was a bit far, but we did end up going there one day where we were caught by the police for the scooty thing. But overall, a very fun trip. This is a kind of like low-key beach kind of trip which I really wanted, and it was beautiful. Now I'm in Bangalore. We took a overnight bus and it was very rough, but we reached quite early in the morning, had a South Indian breakfast with my filter coffee, and it truly filled my soul after so long. I'm here in Bangalore after a year, so my plan is to meet my friends for the next couple of days, go to our favorite haunts, and this morning I'm planning to go to Cubbon Park with a friend and then maybe get some Italian food. But yeah, it's gonna be nice to like re-explore the city which I was for 4 years and just like do all the things that I love. So that's the plan. Alicia's back.
Hi.
We are in Cubbon Park, a place I probably used to visit at least once a month when I was in Bangalore.
Actually, once a week, I feel.
I tried to, but it was such a nice. We haven't met each other for a year.
It's been so long, but it feels like
Yeah.
we
needed to debrief a lot.
But we just picked up right where we were before.
We always do.
It was so nonchalant, so chill.
Yeah.
Loved
But
it.
yeah, it was 1 year of debrief. Had a good session. Now we are heading to Pizza 4 Piece. We have been trying to get a reservation there, and we've luckily got one. It's supposed to be good. So let's go.
ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ಇರುವ ಅಂತರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗಮನ.
So pretty, just like you. I'm at Vaishali's home and look at how cutely she has welcomed me. And her place is so cool, oh my god. Guys, how is my cocktail?
We should definitely do Varsity. You should definitely give it a try, otherwise you're missing out on something.
Oh, we will do it. We're 22. By 25, I will have one bartending gig once at least.
We shall. Same. Let's go. It's my bucket list as well, and I'm glad our bucket lists are matching.
We are going karaoke. What are you gonna sing?
Some English song. We're probably like Taylor Swift.
check for the night. We are going karaoke. Karaoke, that's how we call it, right?
Hi guys.
It is 3 a.m. and we have somehow ended up in Rasta Cafe in Mysore, and now we're heading to Mysore for a sunrise.
Post party.
Just eat a dosa and a coffee. Yeah.
The vibes are there.
No, it's not pictures. We explain the situation.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Who wants to go to Mysore? People. Look at the party clothes and look at the location. Outfit is giving.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you guys had a good time. I had the best time. It was one of the best weeks of my life, and see you in the next one.